Ready? Start. In this connection, I would like to mention about the circulation of money. Stop. The aggregate money circulated was of the order of rupees 7,000 crores, which has increased to about rupees 80,000 crores. Stop. Therefore, you can very well understand the impact of all these things. Stop. Now much is being talked about the deficit of rupees 7,000 crores. Stop. I do not like to enter into it now. Stop. But what is that is causing me anxiety? Stop. It is this deficit of rupees 7,000 crores which is going to be there after the new imports by way of taxes, direct and indirect, of rupees 600 crores, and also after the imposition of a new type of taxation, that is hike in administered prices to the extent of about rupees 3,000 crores. Stop. Sir, the Honorable Minister of State for Finance was mentioning that it was the practice adopted by some other government against which they have got something. Stop. Even if they had done it, it is not correct approach to the problem. Stop. If the Janata government had done so, it was wrong on their part to have done so, because administered price should not become another instrument for raising the revenue. Stop. That is the fundamental position which the government should accept. Stop. I am opposed to this practice. Stop. I am opposed to this because if you raise your revenue by way of excise duty, customs duty, etc., they are to be shared by the states, whereas if you raise revenue through the system of administered prices, you retain everything with you, and I shall come to that aspect later on. Stop. Therefore, this is not to be followed. Stop. Stanza. That way it is a different thing. Stop. But the states are being deprived of their legitimate share, and if they had been a part of the regular budget, the states would not be deprived of their legitimate share. Stop. Stanza. Therefore, even hiking the administered prices has become a regular phenomenon in revenue rising. Stop. Last year, you might have noticed the budget imports were of the order of rupees 963 crores, but the administered prices touched the figure of rupees 3,000 crores during the year. Stop. This is the revenue income by way of increase in the administered prices, which is more than 3 times or 4 times more than what we imposed on the people by way of regular budget imposts. Stop over.